Alright guys, so step one is to remove the engine guard slash skid, oh my god, skid plate. And on the other side here, let's do it! You Now we can turn on the bike, let it warm up to operating temperature, and then drain the oil. Alright. I'm just going to go over the other side here and loosen the cap. I'm going to put down the kickstand and get the bike off the jack just to get a good lean angle. And fall. Oh God, I'm fell right to the burn. So now over this side we're going to take the oil filter out. I'm going to use this again because I don't want to get it everywhere. I'm sure it's going to get everywhere anyway. So that's stupid. Never mind. Never mind. Let's make a mess. Oh man. Okay, give me a minute. I got to rest my big ass head. Holding this heavy ass head up. Ooh. Alright. I believe it. Yep. 8mm. Punch the camera, that's it. Yep, good job. Might be a bit of oil that comes out of this side too. Maybe. Who knows? Let's find out. That's what this whole process is about. It's my first time doing an oil change. So, be gentle in the comments, please. Oh, that's good. Okay, so that bracket acts as a little funnel. I think I need a stronger magnet. A magnet should be able to take it out. Maybe not.
Nope. Nope.
Alright. I'm gonna use these.
Nope.
Got this frickin' thing now.
Nope.
So I just went out and bought this thing. Magnet pickup tool. Capable of picking up 8 pounds. If this doesn't take this out, I'm burning this whole barn down.
Nope.
And it won't. $15W50 Formula 4T Motor X. Comes with a new filter. The pre-filter screens. That's a small one. And then this is the larger one that we took out of the other side. New drain plug with the washer. Throw this friggin' useless piece of small filter right in here. So get this out. The filter is actually pretty clean. So I'm going to put the new filter in. Put a little dab of oil. There's the new one. See, this side here has the hole. It obviously goes in there. If you can see that, yep, it goes right into that. First, I'm going to put a little bit of oil. There we go. It sits right in, which is now going to be impossible to get out. You get yourself a strong magnet, over 8 pounds, way over 8 pounds. Get like a 2,000 friggin' pound magnet to take that mother. Anyway, it's a great experience. I'm having a good time. I'm having a good time. So we're going to take this O-ring off. Smush it into place there. These get torqued down to 10 Newton meters. Put a little drop of oil on the O-ring and wipe it in your pants. Yeah, good idea. That just sits in. There's a little bit of a click there. There's a little bit of resistance it felt. When you push it in, you get a little click. That's in. I'm going to use the new drain plug. Again, a little bit of oil on the why do I keep forgetting that friggin' name? Again, a little bit of oil on the drain plug there. Oh my god. On the rubber thing. What the hell is it called? Oh, bro. The O-ring. 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 Put a little oil on the O-ring. 15 Newton meters. Let's check for leaks. No leaks there, that looks good. No leaks. Just close to the second line there. I like to have it in the middle, but once I start it up, it should be alright. I don't like these covers, they're cheap plastic ones, and they cross thread very easily. The oil change is now done. I'm just going to warm it up and recheck the level. It actually is an easy job once you have all the tools set up and ready to go. Next time will be a lot easier. If you like this video, give it a like. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Alright, bye guys. Love yous.